So basically, as you read on the title of this video, I'm gonna dye my hair again. Por favor, Diosito, que esto no se convierta en un fail. Oh my god, are you all seeing this?
Fuck.
Hello everyone, I woke up hours ago because I thought that I had a Zoom call, and turns out I actually didn't. I don't think I have posted this video, but there's like this glow up video that I filmed on January. Basically, I dyed my hair that day and now it looks the same as it looked before I dyed it. If you've been keeping up with me, you know that I've been dyeing my hair ever since I was 15. Actually, the first time I dyed my hair was when I was 12, but it was just like the tips and I had really long hair, so it didn't affect any of my virgin hair, I guess you could say. And then over the summer, when I was 16, I decided to dye my hair, and it was sort of a fail, but I couldn't really complain because it was kind of expensive, and I was like, well, I guess I'm stuck with this hair now. So I kept my hair like that for like a year. Yeah, for like about a year. And then on my birthday, I decided to dye my hair again, my 17th birthday, and so I did, and then I cut it really short. And then I think months passed and my hair started turning like really like blonde, and that's what I didn't want it. So I decided to like box dye it, so that's what I did. And then it didn't really work out. Like, I don't feel like it made any difference. And so months passed and I decided to dye my hair again on January. I guess it was like at the end of the year because I wanted it for like New Year's and stuff. And I got bangs. They're really grown out now, and I tried to like cut them again like a couple of weeks ago because I was really bored. You know, that's what quarantine does to you. And I'm so sorry if any hairdressers are watching my video because I'm not a professional at all. The only time I tried to dye my hair was with the box dye and it didn't really work out. Last. Pinche camión de basura, la verga. I'm so sorry I'm doing this intro really long, but I just wanted to give you a backstory on my hair, you know, before I dyed it. Basically, I ordered everything except hair toner. I know, I'm so stupid. Like, I literally was watching a lot of videos, and I don't know why, but I never seen anyone use toner on all the videos that I watched, and it's because they were usually like really long parts. So I guess I skipped those parts and I didn't know that I had to use toner. So I don't have any toner. Like, I bought everything and I've been waiting over a week for my package to arrive because I can't go out, you know, so I started like online shopping. Okay, so I have the package right here, and while I open it, I'm gonna be telling you guys the plan that I have for my hair. So basically, I am planning to bleach it, but not all of my hair. I think that my hair, it's not completely bleached, it's only like the tips, you know. I'm not really sure, like I don't remember what I got done, but it's basically kind of like, I wanted like an all over color, but they had to bleach parts of my hair because the bottom was already bleached because I had a blush before that. Basically, you all seen Emma Chamberlain, right? She recently dyed her hair, and she has like half of her hair, like the bottom part of her hair, like blonde, so it's bleached, and then the top is like brown. And so I wanted to do something like that, but like a little bit different, because I also saw this girl on TikTok and she did something that like kind of blew my mind, because I had already seen like how Emma Chamberlain dyed her hair, and I was like, nah, that's not gonna fit me. Like, she looked pretty and everything, like, don't get me wrong, but I didn't think that was like for me, you know. But you know, I always change my mind. So then I watched this girl on TikTok and she posted a video. It was viral, so it appeared on my For You page, and basically she dyed her hair like Emma Chamberlain did, but instead of leaving it blonde, she dyed it green, I think. So I was like, that looks kind of cool. And I also like, I seen this new trend in which, like, you know, like you dye the front pieces of your hair, like you bleach them and then you dye them with like a hair color. But I was like, I don't know if that's gonna look good because I had bangs. But then she did like this style that included the front pieces and like the back of her hair. So I'm gonna leave like the TikTok right here. I want to bleach the bottom. I wanted to dye it purple, but now I want to dye it pink. So I got a large tube of bleach. I was just gonna buy a packet of bleach, but then I was like, what if I ran out, you know? And there was no other sizes. Like, I wish there was like a smaller size on this, So basically this is a bleach, literally it's the size of my head. Oh, and the top of my hair, like you know how I have my hair brown right now. I'm gonna be dyeing it brown, but it's gonna be a light copper brown. I've seen a lot of videos of girls on like TikTok and they don't use toner, so I thought that was a way I was supposed to dye my hair, but you know, I'm just stupid and following trends. So I got this big ass tube. No, this is why it was so expensive. I swear to God that I got this in a 16-ounce, but it's 32 ounce. What am I gonna do with this big ass tube? I'm literally so sure I bought the other one. Like,
I don't understand. I don't understand. Bitch, I don't understand.
Everything is wrong with this order, honestly. Like, I got a 32 ounce instead of a 16-ounce developer. Also, I didn't notice because the freaking app from Sally Beauty, it's like literally so slow. So I didn't notice that I ordered 2 hair dyes, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna use both because I don't want to waste my money. I wanted lavender, you know, but I didn't find it. So I got this. Today is the day I am going to be dyeing my hair. There's gonna be a process because I still need to get the toner. So we'll see how this thing goes because I've never bleached my hair. And also I wanted to dye my hair like way earlier because my parents weren't gonna be home. My mom knows that I'm dyeing my hair, but my dad doesn't, because I told him the other day that I wanted to dye my hair. And then he got really mad. He said that he didn't want me to be dyeing my hair, but I am very bored. I don't know when this quarantine thing is gonna be over, and I am just trying to do something different, you know, even though it's not gonna be different because I'm gonna look like every basic bitch on TikTok, but you know, I'm a basic bitch basically. So my dad actually got home literally 5 minutes ago, and so I had to go out and like pretend like I wasn't gonna do anything because I'm very lucky that my dad doesn't really come into my room that often, but sometimes he does. So I'm really like literally praying that he doesn't come into my room, because if he does, then all of this is ruined and my dad's literally gonna kill me. So we'll hope that everything works out. At least I got my mom's permission, but I have all of the things set up right here. I need to do the mixture and part my hair how I want it, because that's gonna be a bitch to do. See how the bottom of my hair is literally bleached already, but I'll have to bleach it a little bit more. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to bleach the middle part first and then go down into the bottom part, and then at the end the roots, because we all know that the roots are the thing that lightens up faster than anything else in your hair. I went to the kitchen to get aluminum foil, and guess what? We're almost out of aluminum foil. Like literally, I don't think this is gonna help me with my whole head. This is all we got. I'm gonna part my hair how I want it, and also I think I'm gonna end up dyeing the top part of my hair already, because that's gonna be the easiest part. So if I'm being honest, I don't know what the f I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. I decided that I'm gonna be bleaching my hair first before doing my hair coloring on the top. So for the mixture, it says 1 scoop of the bleach with 2 ounces of developer, and honestly I am 2 ounces is about here. I think that I'm not even that scared on f***ing up my hair. I'm even more scared on my dad's reaction. These 2 ounces. This time he was like really serious about me not dyeing my hair. Like the first time that I dyed my hair, like he didn't even know. Like I just told my mom that I wanted to do it for my 16th birthday, and we went and I got it done, but he didn't say shit. Like I didn't even ask him for permission, and I know that's gonna sound really bad. I don't know, I just didn't ask him because I didn't think it was such a big deal. If I'm being honest, I'm very lucky to have the parents that I have, because they're usually really understanding. They're not as strict as most Mexican parents. Usually if I want to go out with my friends, like they will let me, and I feel like it's because throughout my sophomore year and junior year, like part of my junior year, I didn't really have any friends and I didn't really go out, and I feel like that's why they started letting me out without like even really complaining about it. Like sometimes they will say no, obviously. I want to know what you guys have been doing throughout this quarantine, because I'm honestly just a lazy piece of shit. Like the only thing I do that's productive on my day is clean my kitchen, and that's just because I have to. Like my mom's Mexican, and if I don't have the kitchen clean by when she comes back from work, she'll literally kill me. I'm just mixing this thing right now. I wish I could be like some people, like FaceTiming their friends and stuff, but Honestly, I feel like I've lost a lot of friends at this point. I honestly don't even know if I am supposed to use aluminum foil. Like, I've been seeing a lot of people do that, so I kind of watched Brad Mondo's video the other day. I barely remember anything that he said. Can you believe this? I don't even know what I'm doing. Maybe I should just put it on like this first, and then at the end put the aluminum foil on. I don't know, bro. I don't remember much about it, but I do remember it said not to wash your hair prior to this procedure. I haven't washed my hair in a week, which is the longest time I've gone without washing my hair, and I honestly feel disgusting.
It feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down.
If the girl that has done my hair before sees this, she's literally probably cringing right now. And if Brad Mondo sees this, I'm literally gonna like freak out. He probably won't, but if he ever says this, please don't roast me as much because I'm sensitive. Thank you. I don't know, like if this becomes a fail, which literally, por favor, Diosito, que esto no se convierta en un fail, I'm gonna cry, but at least we're in quarantine so no one can see my hair.
You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah.
Oh, verga.
No, bitch, no.
Really got bleach on my leg. I'm not trying to bleach my hair in my leg. Thank you.
Day by day, I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow.
Oh my god, are y'all seeing this? I'm pretty sure this is lighting up real quick. My hair is bleaching really fast. I don't know if you can see that, but I can already see the yellow coming through, so I'm very, very, very scared. Now I'm gonna go with the top part of my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this real quick. Do y'all see that? It's literally so blonde already.
I've been on my way up.
I'm gonna start doing my roots now.
I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling.
Let's hope for the love of God that I did this right. Okay, so this is my current situation. I'm gonna have to wear this cap so I can shower. It's been like almost 50 minutes that I've had this bleach on, and I feel like if I leave it longer, my hair is literally gonna fall out. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna be blow drying my hair, but honestly I have a feeling that I didn't do such a good job with this thing. The top part seems nice, but I feel like I'm gonna have to bleach my hair again. I'm gonna be blow drying it to actually see the results, but I feel like I'm gonna have to bleach it again because I'm pretty sure the back of my hair I didn't get bleach on it, and I didn't even notice. It didn't get bleached at all. Can you see that? If so, honestly I don't really care as much on how this bleaching looks because the back of my hair is not gonna show anyways, and I'm gonna be dyeing it pink, so it's barely even gonna show.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like.
Okay guys, so I'm partially done blow drying my hair. For the most part it is dry, And honestly, I feel like I can actually see a difference on the top of my hair that I dyed. Maybe because it's like dark right now, you can barely see a difference, but like I took a picture with flash and it does look more copper like, especially the ends. I don't know if you can see that. If you look at my hair like closely in person, like you can see the red undertones, and I actually like it. Probably gonna be more noticeable when I go like in the sun or something. And for the bottom part of my hair, it was sort of a fail, but not really. I'm glad that my hair didn't fall out. So now I still need to bleach the back of my hair. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not bleached, so I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna see if my brother wants to help me. Honestly, I'm not mad at it. I could probably just leave it as it is and just dye it pink, but I don't know, I feel like I need to bleach my roots, so I will do that tomorrow. It's been 2 weeks later and I haven't been able to get toner, so I decided that I'm just like gonna dye it like that because I've been waiting for so long and just everything is closed and I don't want to risk it and just go to Sally's. I'm also lazy to go, so I'm just gonna do it.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.